back, my friend. How are you today? In this video I'll show you how to make a high viscosity xanthan gum gel. In my previous recipe we use clear xanthan gum USP at 0.5%. so for the high viscosity gel we're going to use it at the maximum percentage of 1%. So we're going to turn this back. We use clear xanthan gum at 1%. We use glycerin at 5%. We use our preservative at 0.8%. We use water at whatever amount is left. It's going to be 93.2%. okay, that is what we're using. So write this down. We're using this 1%, so I don't want to give us any headache. I'm going to go ahead and do this at 100 gram or make 100 gram batch. This is 120 gram batch of the low viscosity gel, but the high viscosity gel, make sure you note it. As a formulator, you always have to have a formulation notebook. So this is very important for you, so as to go over your formulas, to refine them, and it's very good for you. So 1 gram, 5 gram, 0.8 gram, and 93.2 gram. Note that down so you can follow along with me, okay? So what do we do? Just like I did the previous, or if you haven't watched that, watch my previous video. So measure 1 gram of clear xanthan gum USP. Don't forget, look in the description box below for where to get this versatile ingredient. This is a must-have for all cosmetic chemists or home-based formulator. So we're going to measure 1 gram of clear. The amazing thing at Pure Blend Natural is that if you want to have your cosmetic ingredient on time, you will be amazed. Just order it and it will be shipped within 24 hours. So if you are like me that wants to get your stuff right away so as to get your formulation going, you want to check out pureblendnaturals.com. Look in the description box below. So we're going to use glycerin at 5 gram. You add it directly to your xanthan gum with your mixer. Make sure you blend it well to prevent clumping. After that, you might have watched my video before. I usually had my preservative after water, but now I've changed it. Okay, it's better. My preservative of choice for most of my formulation is XAP 9010, a very versatile broad spectrum preservative by Pure Blend Natural. So you use that, add that to your blend at 0.8 gram. Then you set that aside and measure 93.2 gram of distilled water. .2 gram of distilled water or deionized water. We're done with all our measuring. It's time to blend. So all you have to do, just like I did in my previous project, is to blend in your water right into. If you have an overhead stirrer, this is a good time to use your overhead stirrer. So add it and mix. Mixing is a very important part of cosmetic formulation, okay, as it gives you a very good result. So keep mixing. As you can see, the viscosity of these is thicker than the previous one. So that's the difference between this and this. This is the, bear with me, this is the earlier one, low viscosity gel, and this is the high viscosity gel. So in my upcoming, make sure you keep this, okay, keep this, bottle it up, and make sure you label them appropriately. This is the low viscosity one. Look in the description box below for the recipe and the video. This is the high viscosity one that you're going to use to make your lotion, your cream, okay. I'm going to show you how to use either of this. So thanks for joining me today. This is the end of our clear xanthan gum or xanthan gum mixing or making experiment. If you have any question about using xanthan gum, this is a better place to ask. So drop your comment in the description, in the comment box below. I'll be able to answer you. I hope you enjoyed this short project, and I'm going to see you in my next project. Happy formulating. Our next project, we're going to make different beauty products, including lotion, cream, mainly with our beauty product here. Thanks for joining me, and see you in the next video.